Y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Let's see it. I think this was the issue here. Alejandro, what's up? Brian, what's up? How y'all doing? You hear me? I refreshed it. Should be good to go. Okay, cool, cool. You can hear me better? Let me see if I can turn this up a little bit. Okay. Should be able to hear me pretty clear now. Pretty good. I think that was the issue. I think the comments are working good. I can hear it. I can see y'all. How y'all doing? Y'all ready for the week? It's gonna be an interesting week. I feel like I think it's gonna be interesting. And actually, I want to look at something. Let's look at. Got your eyes on you, Jay. Yeah, me too, bro. It's kind of playing around a little bit, so I want to see what it does. Now you can see. You can see now. I'm good. I'm glad. I'm glad. Let's see. I don't know why. Sometimes I have to change these settings. Okay. So we have high impact news for USD tomorrow morning. Should see some volatility. Wednesday as well. Interest rate decision. FOMC. Cool. So tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday looks pretty good. High impact. And then Friday, not much. So at least 2 days out of the week. At least 2 days out of the week we'll have some type of movement. Which is good. It's not bad. Can see and hear. Perfect. Awesome. How was y'all's weekend though? What y'all do? And then we'll get into the charts. Because the charts is the easiest part. Everything else, What'd y'all do this weekend? This past weekend. It's Monday, March 17th. Pretty crazy. Almost in April. 4 months into the year. I swear it was just Christmas. It was just New Year's. It was just Thanksgiving, and now it's already going to be April. By the time we know it's going to be June, that's halfway through the year, and then we're going to be right back at Christmas and Thanksgiving and all that again. Insane. Messed up calf at the gym, but it's getting better. And just chilled after that. Man. I hate messing up anything. At any point. Like, bro, even when, like, you mess up any part of your, like, wrist or your finger or your ankle or your calf or whatever the case may be, your thigh, any type of little. And it's crazy how we take everything for granted, right? Like, when everything's good, we don't think about little things. Like, even if you have something in your eye, you're like, oh man, I just want to be back to normal. But when you have nothing going on, like nothing's wrong with you, then you're like, you don't even take it like You don't even like be like, oh, I'm grateful. You know, it's crazy until something bad happens, and then you're like, oh man, sucks. Puts you out of commission for sure, bro. It does. It's like I hate when I get something in my eye. I hate it. I'm like, oh my god. And then I like, even if like you get something in your eye and then you're around other people or you're in public or whatever and you look at other people and they're like, they don't know the pain that I'm going through. It sucks. It sucks. But yeah, hopefully you recover from that calf injury, bro. Because I know that it sucks being injured at all in any type of way. What about you, Alejandro? What'd you do this past weekend, bro? Friday, Saturday. I think what today's St. Patrick's Day or something. Is that something? Is that is that today? I don't know. I know that everyone was probably celebrating it all weekend, but I think it's actually today. I think. I don't know. I feel like it's so quiet. Let me put on like something. No, let's put on a little something just to keep that highway off the track. You know. Anyway, um, let's peep UJ. So as long as we let me change this real quick. Hold on. Put that over there. Okay. Okay. I'm not worried about UJ as long as we don't pass this area. This blue area, so 149, 139. As long as we don't go above there, I'm really not too worried. I know that we're pretty close to it, but it doesn't matter how close. I mean, we've had those situations where the price goes super close to our stop loss, super close to anything, TP, whatever the case may be, and it doesn't hit. So I'm not worried at all. I'm wanting to see what price is gonna do in this area. If we close above here, then okay, it's a no go. I'm not gonna hold on to this because we're probably gonna move up here. I mean, or maybe we just consolidate for a little bit and make support and resistance. But until that happens, I'm not worried about this trade. I mean, we could literally just push down here and then start making a correction and start moving down. So, I'm not worried with UJ. EU. Still stuck up here. And I honestly feel like we're going to move up. Because if we want UJ to move down, EU is probably going to move up. And if we need EU to move up, then gold's going to move up. That's just the correlation between those three pairs. So, I don't know if we're going to move down on EU. It's possible. But Well, we have to see. Let's see what Price wants to do here. We're kind of getting squeezed. We're going to squeeze into this resistance, and then we have the trend line here. So let's see what happens. Usually when we get squeezed like this, we either break to the downside heavy, break to the upside heavy. So just gotta wait for that. I mean, it's only Monday. It's literally not even Monday yet. It's 1 hour into Monday. So the market just opened. Just gonna wait and see. Should we expect a higher entry for UJ? No, I'm not gonna. The only way that we'll get back into UJ is if we close below here. I mean, I'm not gonna. Especially if price decides to close above here, then there's no point of entering again. Like, we could enter right now. Say we could, right? But then that's just gonna be 2 losing trades on UJ, and we already have it. We had it held since Friday, so I'm not trying to risk more. I'm down like 45k right now, 46k. I'm not gonna enter again just to lose, another 10. So it is what it is. But if we move to the downside, perfect. We don't need to risk more though. We'll wait. We'll wait to see what price wants to do. Clear direction it will probably be around New York session, and then the time after New York session. So that will be the direction that we're gonna head with UJ. And if UJ decides to move down, then we're gonna enter in again, because we're gonna make that swap back. I mean, that's literally what I love to do. I love to enter in again, get my swap fees back, because no way the broker's gonna win against me. That's just how I feel. So if we move down on UJ, we're gonna enter in again, make our swap back and some, and then we'll close out at a level that we see fit. With gold, man, crazy uptrend right now. At some point there's gonna be a correction, right? And when that correction happens, then UJ's gonna go up. So if we see gold drop dramatically, then we know what's gonna happen to UJ. And usually they follow after, if not simultaneously. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But it's hard to call anything on a Monday, on a Sunday, even possibly on a Tuesday. Like, it's kind of hard to gauge what price wants to do. Usually around Tuesday morning, early morning, like London session, around this time on Tuesday, then you'll be able to see, like, okay, the price wants to move in this general direction for the rest of the week. But right now it's kind of like 50-50 chance for everything. Look at that massive move to the downside on DXY. Crazy. So maybe a correction here to what? To this yellow line. I don't think we'll go this much higher. I mean, it's possible, but maybe a correction at 104.926. Maybe even stay below it. 23.6. But usually after a move down, we come back up to 38.2 at least, and then we'll come back down for the correction. So we'll see if that plays out with DXY. But if DXY pushes up, then that means UJ is gonna push up, which means we're probably gonna get out of UJ. So that's that. But again, DXY might. That's the thing. I don't try to predict where price is gonna go. I just kind of like have levels, and then I'd be like, okay, well, and then I paint the scenario. Well, if price goes here, then this is gonna happen, and if price goes there, then this is what we're gonna do. I don't really try to predict where prices. I'm not gonna be like, oh, well, we're definitely going up here. Like, no, price could either go here or here. It's always gonna be a two path scenario each time, and I'm okay with either or. I'm just rather put yourself put yourself in the position of being prepared than being in the position of being so committed or married to the idea that you're right. Like, no, I'd just rather be prepared for either or. I'm not gonna marry an idea or marry analysis or anything like that. Just be prepared for either or. Anything could happen. Price could drop right now, or price could shoot up right now. But yeah, that's what I got for UJ, EU, and gold. What do y'all got for me? Anything y'all want to look at? Are y'all in any trades other than UJ right now? Just in UJ. Me too, bro. Just in UJ. I was really hoping for a gap to the downside. Didn't get it. Got a gap to the upside. Which is sometimes good. Sometimes good to get a gap to the upside. Because then sometimes we'll close the gap. And then we'll hesitate here at resistance and then fall down. What do I think about Bitcoin? Honestly, I was a little surprised to see that it was bullish this morning. But it does not look good. In my opinion, it just doesn't look good. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I mean, look at this wick. This is like, it's done. It's done. Just like it was done here, and done here, and done here. And then it came, closed all those little wicks that I was making, and then it came up. Oh no, man. It's hard to say. Right now, it's like everything is kind of like just in the middle. I can't really, like, when price was here, or I really truly don't remember where price was at, but price was somewhere in this area, and I was like, look, we had a push to the downside. We're gonna have a correction up. Price came exactly to where that price was at. Like, I could give you the play there, but I here, I don't know. We're just kind of just floating in the middle of the ocean, and we could either continue to float more out into the ocean, or we could come back to land. I don't know. I don't know with Bitcoin right now, honestly. It just doesn't look good to me, though. It doesn't look like I want to buy it. Honestly, it doesn't. I mean, that would be the only buy signal. But we're coming to a decision very quickly. Price is going to do something. Obviously, right? It's going to do something, though. It's either going to close above here and start coming up here to 92, or we're going to break down. We're going to probably break through this 23.6 level, because that's what price likes to do. Whenever it starts making a move, it's going to break through that Fibonacci, and then we're going to see what the new low is. And I'm predicting 67,861, somewhere in that area. And if we break that area, we're coming down even lower to 48. And if we go down to 48, please buy as much as you possibly can, because that's like fire sale, Black Friday sale, any type of sale, 90% off sale. I mean, literally. And if you don't want to buy Bitcoin, buy altcoins. because I know that we haven't had an alt season yet. This session or this bull run or whatever you want to call it, we haven't had the altcoin moment yet. So if you want to create a bag, if you want to create that opportunity to have financial freedom, I would put as much as you can into alts. I mean, that's just my opinion, of course, but that would be the time. That would be the time. Everyone was sad whenever they didn't catch this, and it went all the way up here. We're here again. What are you gonna do now? You had that opportunity. The second opportunity is here. What do? Do you say no because price is too low? And then what happens when that happens again? We're here. What happens when that happens again? And you'll be like, I should have X, I should have Y, I should have Z'd. I mean, it happens over and over and over to multiple people all the time. So, in my humble opinion, I mean, even now, I'm telling my dad, I'm telling everyone, my close family, I'm telling them, buy altcoins now. Why? It's so low. It's been going down. It's a bearish market. Do it now. Do it. Even if it goes down, you're buying spot bags. Like, it truly doesn't matter. Like, it's a different story when you're trading, of course, when you have leverage and all that, but spot bags, bro? Come on, man. You think we should enter more positions on RBTCC? Honestly, no. I really don't feel like that because I don't know what Bitcoin's gonna do next, and I don't know if if Bitcoin goes down, I don't know if it's gonna drag altcoins with it. You know, you'll know when Bitcoin starts moving and altcoins don't. Then you'll be like, okay, now we have that separation. But every time Bitcoin moves to the downside, altcoins drop dramatically. So until that stops happening, then I'll be like, okay, now we're slowly entering the altcoin season. Now we're slowly entering where you can start putting a lot of money into altcoins and expecting something to happen. But until Bitcoin stops impacting altcoins, I really don't. I don't know when we're gonna start trading yet. I don't know. I mean, there's no point in entering on a Bitcoin, literally any type of short or long, because look, even if we were to short Bitcoin here, say we capture this, it came almost back up to it, and you know, for the majority of it, stop losses are in profit, so that would have been stop loss and profit, boom, and then price moved lower, and now you're frustrated and you're trying to chase this when in all reality you shouldn't. I mean, at the end of the day, if you zoom out enough, we're in between support and resistance, middle of the ocean. There's no point in trading it. It's like, just wait, you know. I mean, for me, just waiting for a good opportunity, unless you're gonna buy spot, then okay, you know, go crazy with that. I mean, but if you're gonna be trading, crypto is too volatile, and then you could be stuck in a trade for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, just collecting fees. That's what they love to do, is just collect fees. I swear, like, they have some type of control over this price action, because I'll be in a trade and they'll stay in the same range for like 7-8 days, just every 8 hours charging me. It's dumb. So I'd rather just stay out of it until we have a clearer picture. And it's gonna come. You know, you just gotta be patient. It's gonna come. There's gonna be a point where it's like, okay, if price comes down to 38.2, and if it breaks and it comes down to 60, this is the time right here. I'll be like, you know what, guys? Doesn't matter. Buy now. Buy now. Everything. Leverage trades, 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, doesn't matter. Enter in and hold. And then when we go, and because I have a feeling once we come down, we're going to come right back up. It's not going to be no hesitation like this. It's going to be like, okay. Or maybe we even get a big push to the downside. I don't know. I'm not going to speculate, but I just have a feeling. But for now, staying away from Bitcoin and trading it. If you're gonna buy it. That's fine. You could buy Bitcoin right now. Doesn't matter. Because even if it goes down to 60K, you'll be down what? 10%, 15%, 20%. Doesn't matter. You just put more in. When it goes to 60K, you put another paycheck in. Oh well. I don't know. I don't know your financial goals, but for me, that's what I would do. I would suffer for a week, and that's the thing, is just suffer for the short term to enjoy the long term. You gotta have the bigger vision. So I'll suffer for a week or two, whatever I have to do. Eat ramen for a week or two. I've done that many times before in the past. It sucked, but very much worth it. You know, so or you know, be late couple days on a payment or whatever it takes, man. Long term, you gotta think of the long term. That's just for me. I don't know. I mean, unless you're trying to build your credit, which, you know, then you should not be late on anything. But again, I'm just a guy, a regular guy. But yeah. What else? What else y'all got? Went over Bitcoin, went over UJ, EU, gold. We know what to do whenever Bitcoin goes down. What else y'all got? I know it's late. I don't know. What time is it for y'all right now? It's 1:20 for me. I apologize for not waking up for market open, but man, I was tired. I swear I didn't even plan on sleeping like that. 11:21. That's not too bad. That's PM. That's that west, right? That's that West Coast. That West Coast time. AM. Oh God. Oh, okay, PM. I was like, AM, where's that? Where is that you're at, bro? I was like, you're in London? Or that's not even London. I don't even know what time that is. Yeah, Cali time, okay. Yeah. That's cool, bro. 11 p.m. So that's not too bad. 1 a.m. is not too bad either. I'm usually awake during the night, so. But I know that a lot of people have to, you know, get up tomorrow for and do their thing. So that's why I guess I'd say it's a little late. But yeah, bro. Alejandro, you still with us, bro? Brian, you're on like, I swear, I think you're on like every call, bro. Honestly, I don't know. Or am I tripping? I think one day, like before the end of the year, we're gonna be like, we're gonna have at least 100 people on here. Right now, it's like real chill, real subtle. But by the end of the year, I think there'll be at least 100 people. At least. Because as we continue to grow the accounts, then, that's when more attention will be brought. Be brought at least to this, what's going on. Be like, what's going on here? How is this happening? So, but no rush. Just, chill. I don't necessarily need it either. It doesn't impact me at all. But it would just be like a cool experience, I guess, at the end of the day. So we'll see what happens. But definitely appreciate when we get to November, October, September, all that, and then from where we were here now to where we're gonna go, and you'd be like, wow, bro. Like, look at how many messages you send right there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in a row. It won't be able to be like that 6 months from now, 7 months from now. That'd be interesting to see. There'll be other people trying to get questions off. But right now it's like real personal, like one-on-one kind of thing. Which is cool. I like that. I'm cool with whatever. Even if it stays like this till then, I don't care. It's cool. It's cool with me. But yeah, bro. Hope you had a great weekend. Other than your calf sprain, hopefully you get a fast recovery. Wake up tomorrow morning and you're just like fully recovered. That'd be great. I think this week's gonna be a great week, honestly. I think our UJ trade's gonna come back into profit, and we're gonna enter in again and capitalize on that, get our swap back, make profit on both trades, and that's gonna be the start of a great week. And we're gonna get in on EU. The opportunities are gonna arise and show themselves, reveal themselves, and we're gonna make some money. Every week, making money. It's the goal. Yeah, bro. You have any other type of questions, bro? Because I don't know what else I could talk about. Anything at all, man. I got you. Whatever you need. That's good. I'm glad. Yeah. Good on the questions. All right, bro. Well, I think we handle our business for now. I think we'll probably get on another live stream either Tuesday. Probably Tuesday. Tuesday night. And see what happens. But for now, let's have a great rest of the night. Get some good sleep. Rest up. Try not to look at charts the rest of the night, bro. There's no reason to, I'm telling you. I got you. Exactly. I'll see you Tuesday, bro. But take it easy, man. Yes, sir. Thank you for getting on. It means a lot. Honestly, it really does. To me, it means a lot to me. But y'all take care, man. I'll see y'all soon. Talk to y'all soon.